Simcenter 3D 2512 introduces persistent geometry tagging. Until now, long periods of time were required to manually attribute your geometry. Now, with our grouped and replayable CAD attributing, you can eliminate your custom strips for mass attributing. Better yet, the manual reselection and attribute assignment required when a topology changes is a thing of the past. Furthermore, you can have confidence that you have a robust process for conducting design space exploration workflows. Start by defining an object group and assigning the group an attribute. Then, during updates to the FEM, this group's faces will be assigned all the attributes of the group. With automatic selection recipes, we can simplify our processes since they survey the model's attributes and present them as selection recipe candidates. In this example, we change the number of holes on the leading edge via our expressions. This change altered the value of 8 other expressions used to pattern holes so that we now have 96 leading edge holes. By simply switching to the FEM, the geometry and mesh control automatically updates.